Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner, where we explore fascinating studies that shed new light on various aspects of students' behavior and development. In today's video, we delve into a groundbreaking study conducted by Blackwell, which examines the effects of different types of praise on individuals. The Blackwell study, published in the prestigious Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, aimed to investigate the consequences of different praise styles on individuals' beliefs about their intelligence and subsequent achievements. The researchers were particularly interested in how these different types of praise influenced individual motivation, mindset, and performance. This research holds vital implications for educators, parents, and anyone seeking to enhance personal growth and development. To truly understand the significance of this study, let's discuss the definitions of process praise and person praise. Process praise involves recognizing and praising the efforts, strategies, and hard work that individuals put into completing a task or achieving a goal. On the other hand, person praise focuses on the inherent qualities and traits of an individual, such as intelligence or talent. Mueller and Dweck designed a series of experiments to test the effects of process praise and person praise on participants' motivation, mindset, and subsequent performance. The selected participants, ranging from different age groups and educational backgrounds, were randomly assigned to either the process praise or person praise group. They were then given tasks to complete, with their performance being closely observed and assessed. The findings of the Blackwell study were nothing short of remarkable. It was revealed that individuals who received process praise showcased significantly higher level of motivation, a growth mindset, and a willingness to persist in the face of challenges. These participants demonstrated a deep understanding that effort and hard work were integral to their success. Conversely, individuals exposed to person praise were more likely to develop a fixed mindset, avoiding challenges and perceiving setbacks as personal failures. Let's see some examples to understand the difference between a person praise or a process praise. Example number 1. Person praise be like, "You are so smart, you passed the test with flying colors." Whereas process praise is like, "I can see how hard you studied for the test. Your effort really paid off." Number 2. Person praise. "You are such a talented artist. That painting is amazing." Process praise. "The way you approached the painting was really creative. Your attention to detail really shows." Number 3. Person praise. "You are a natural athlete. You make scoring goals look easy." Process praise. "I'm impressed with how you have been practicing your footwork. Your dedication to improvement is really paying off." Number 4. Person praise. "You are so good at math. I wish I had your brain." Whereas process praise, "The way you studied for that math test was really effective. Your hard work and problem solving skills led to great results." Number 5. Person praise. "You are a born leader. Everyone always looks up to you." Whereas process praise, "I appreciate how you took charge of the team project. Your communication skills and collaboration really brought out the test in everyone." By focusing on the effort and process behind students' work, teacher can help to develop a growth mindset and reinforce the idea that intelligence and ability can be improved over time. However, it's important to note that using person praise is not inherently bad. It can still be important to recognize and celebrate student accomplishments and strengths. In conclusion, the Blackwell study's finding shed light on the profound effects of process praise and person praise on an individual mindset, motivation, and performance. Understanding the power of praise allows us to not only enhance our own personal development but also create an empowering environment for those around us. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.